Hello everyone. In this video, I will be letting you know how you can register for the SAP certification exam using the SAP promo code that you have received. So in the initial step, you need to enter the promo code and you will be redeeming the promo code by navigating to the SAP training portal. You need to log into your portal and then after login, navigate to redeem activation code. You will be able to see this page. You enter the activation code over here that you have received on the email and click on validate. Once this code will be validated, you will be receiving an email that now this code has been validated successfully and you will be able to schedule the examination. To schedule the SAP certification exam, navigate to Assess Purchase Subscriptions. When you click on Assess Purchase Subscriptions, this is the page that you will be able to see, and you are able to see that all the subscriptions that you are having for the SAP certifications. You are having the access to SAP Learning Hub, which you have till complete 1 year, and how much time is remaining that will be shown to you. Then you are having the access to the SAP certification. Once your promo code is activated, you will be able to see your SAP certification over here, and your start date and the end date is 30th June. So make sure you all must attempt the exam before 30th June. And this is the number of days, how much days are remaining yet to end this particular certification voucher. To assess the certification voucher and to schedule the certification, navigate to the Assess the Certification Hub. Once you click on the Certification Hub, you will be redirected to the SAP certification page where you are able to see the schedule your examination. To schedule your examination, you need to navigate to the exam dashboard. So click on this exam dashboard and you are able to see the schedule and examination option. And you are able to see that the booking ID is there, start date, end date is there, and attempts remaining is 1 by 1. So you are given the single attempt. In case if a couple of you have received more than one attempts, you will be able to verify the same over here. So you click on the schedule and examination. Once you click on schedule and examination, the complete schedule of all these SAP learning journeys will be appearing in front of you. And you can select any SAP learning journey that you want to appear for the certification purpose. So this is the exam list. So you can schedule any examination which you want to appear for. These are all the SAP learning journeys. So you can have the selection based on your interest, based on your expertise, based on the learning that you are doing since last 5 to 6 months. So you can select any of the SAP learning journey. Suppose for the exam, I want to appear for this particular exam, that is SAP Certified Associate, SAP Activate Project Manager. So I select this option and I am able to see the schedule calendar option over here. Schedule new appointment option is available. So when I click on schedule new appointment, I am able to see a box where having the schedule appointment option. Select time zone. So you need to keep your own time zone, else there will be a mismatch between the time of the exam. So for India, we will be selecting the time zone as Asia Kolkata, and you can select the date of the examination. Even you can select the Saturday, Sundays as well. And suppose we schedule the examination on 10th of June, and then at what time you want to appear for the examination. So this is a complete list. You can select the suitable time, and it's an online examination. So whatever time you want to select, you can select and you can click on the save appointment. Once you are able to do so, you will be able to see your exam appointments over here in this tab. It's like I have scheduled one of the examination for the demonstration purpose. So this is the entry, and you can click on the start exam option, launch exam option, as and when the date and the particular time appears for your certification exam. So this is how you can schedule the examination. You can book the SAP learning journey and you can appear for the SAP certification voucher. And you can utilize the SAP certification voucher to the full extreme level. So with this, good wishes for your SAP learning exam. Thank you.